Jake worked 12-hour shifts washing dishes. No college degree, no connections, just ambition. Instead of complaining, he studied the business, how customers ordered, how the kitchen ran. One day he gave the owner an idea to cut costs and boost sales. The owner was impressed and promoted him. Years later, with savings and experience, Jake opened his own restaurant. Within a year it was a hit. Today, he owns a restaurant empire. And it all started with washing dishes. Learn, adapt, grow. Your next success starts now. Follow for more.